Kung sumasobraan mo kung katamis ang cake, is dali ka maumay. Ni kayo ikaon og cake. And ni ato mi sa Puso Village, kay nipalit mi sa Tangerine Kitchen sa ilang customized cakes for only 188 pesos. And look at the packaging, and super cute. Let's open it. Kaning cake, guys, is a Choco Moist. Open it. I'm so excited. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Super nice. So let's taste it. So nasiya yung marshmallow, nasiya yung chocolate, and this one. Let's try this. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Guys, lami. Mmm. Wow, lami siya. As in, ang kani siya, melt lang siya sa imuhang mouth. And let's try the Choco Moist. This one ay i-try na to ni kanilang alone. Tanawa. As in, moist jud ang ihang cake. Look at that. Perfect. Yeah. Moist jud ang ihang chocolate cake. May pagka-orangey nga flavor. Ay nag-blend lang jud ang iyang flavor. Ang iyang cake is dili kayo siya tamis, sakto ra. And that's perfect kasi kay kung sumasobraan mo kung katamis ang cake is dali ka maumay. Wow.